I am working on pop-up gifts for clients, and it's spring. So we're doing spring cleaning pop-up gifts for them. And this is the recipe we're using to have organic cleaning solution for our clients. It's 1 cup of baking soda that's in this bowl, and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of citric acid. I'm just gonna blend those together. Okay, now I'm gonna add in about 14 to 20 drops. You can use anything you want. I personally like lemongrass for cleaning, so I'm gonna put that in my clients. Just trying to keep this super clean and fresh for spring. It smells nice and good. Kind of pat it in. Lastly, you don't want to pour water in too fast because it will get clumpy. So you just want to take some fine mist, and it's just right, plain water in it. You don't want to activate it. You just want to get it damp enough that it's going to go into the molds. So we can let it dry, and then it'll be squares. You just keep working this until it's moist and ready to go into the squares. So these are silicone squares, and they're nice and tiny, so you can drop them into a bottle, and that's what we want for our clients. So I'm gonna fill up these with the mixture. Now my hands are clean because I wanted them to be really sterile for this process for our client, since it is a cleaning product for their house. And I just basically kind of start to work it into the squares like this. And I just press down nice and firm, so it's getting evenly distributed in there. And that they're packed, because we want them to be hard and square when they dry. Just want it a little bit thick on the top. I'm gonna go with the spatula. We're gonna kind of press it in a little bit, and then this one will be ready to dry, and we'll make our second. And if you need more than one batch, it's easy to whip up a second batch really quickly. This one is ready to set aside. I'm gonna get the other one ready, and then we're gonna set them to dry.
All right, so I just want to show you that these are resting on my counter. They will sit here overnight until they dry out. And then tomorrow I will pop them out of these. And when I set them over here, I do add a little bit more water just to spritz the top. Tomorrow we'll pop them out, and then they'll be ready to go into our clients' packages.
Okay, so it's the next day. They are pretty much dry. They're a little sticky, of course, because they have like essential oils and citric acid in them. That's how you make the cleaning product that's organic and environmentally friendly. Once you have them like this is quite a few. We'll be doing 100 gifts out to clients. So you're just gonna pop them out. So they're gonna be little cubes like this. Once we get all these popped out, we're going to put them in the bottles and put the notes for the cleaning solution and stuff like that, and they'll be dropped off at client stores with a cube package of some other items. Okay, so they're all popped out of the molds. They look like little sugar cubes. We'll pop these into the glass bottles along with some other items that we're dropping off to our clients for their spring cleaning, and they smell amazing. And it's a great way to make a cleaner that is environmentally friendly and non-toxic. It's a good way to make a lot of cleaning product. I'm gonna make some for myself. That's it. So keep an eye out for these. Let me know if you have questions.